Hello, and welcome to this course on Plumber, where we'll be building APIs in R completely from scratch. I'm Alex Hayden, a data engineer by trade with 10 years of experience in the R language, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've created many R Plumber APIs, the most popular being the flight comparison website sistercities.app. I'm really pleased that you've decided to start your Plumber journey here, and I know for sure that by the end of this course, you'll be very confident in going away and creating and hosting your own APIs for the world to see. R is one of the most dominant programming languages for data analysis and visualization, and with Plumber, we can expose our existing R code on the web for others to see and use. Whether you intend on uploading your personal project's functionality or designing an application for your company, either public or on their intranet, this course is ideal for you to learn how to build a production-grade API. Since Plumber APIs are very easy to create and configure, they can be used to quickly demonstrate proof of concepts to multiple stakeholders. Another type of user who will find this course useful are R-Shiny developers. In my personal experience, Shiny applications soon become very complicated and clunky, but with Plumber we can migrate our functionality into API endpoints and integrate with front-end files from native frameworks like React or Angular. This course assumes you have only basic R knowledge. Anything else, such as initial setup, testing, and online hosting, we will go through together, step by step. But the course is not just for developers who already have a specific use case in mind which they want to implement in R. Because we assume no knowledge of APIs or networking practices, it's also applicable to those R developers who are simply interested in learning more about web services. We'll use real-world examples to practice our Plumber skills, along with regular quizzes and self-assignments. Towards the end of the course, we'll integrate with a pre-built user interface so that you can easily see the power of your own API. We'll discuss our specific extensive case study in the last lecture of this section. Finally, I'll be actively monitoring the course's Q&A area, and I'm very happy to get involved in order to answer your rhetorical questions or resolve any coding issues. Next up, let's talk about the key points that we will learn during the course.